Welcome to the CazVid Employment Desktop and ATS platform. In this video, we'll show you how to use the CazVid Applicant Tracking System to help you manage your hiring process. When you log into the CazVid desktop, you will see all your job posts along the top. If you don't have any posts, you will need to create one first. You can create either a video job listing or a text job listing. Once your job listing is approved, you can click on the listing to see the candidates who have responded. Now it's time to use the CazVid ATS to manage your hiring process. First, you will need to create a list so you can categorize potential candidates. In this job listing, I'm looking to hire a Google Ads specialist, so that's what I'll name my first list. Then I'll give it a color and choose a process template. You can choose Manage Job Search if you are a job seeker, or Manage Candidates if you are looking to hire. Since in this example we are looking to hire, we'll choose the Manage Candidates template, which creates a hiring process from your first contact with a new candidate all the way through to hired or rejected. Now that our list is created, we can start adding potential candidates. Go to your inbox and click on a message. Here, you will see all the candidates' posts, their info, and messages. Click Add List and select the list you want to add them to. Now go to your list. As you can see, the candidate has now been added into your hiring pipeline. To add more candidates to this job opening, go back to your inbox, select a candidate, and add to the list. Now you can track candidates through your hiring process. You and your hiring managers can click on the candidate, see all their videos and info. You can message the candidate, advance them through the hiring stages, and add them to another list if they are qualified for multiple positions. This simple, easy-to-use applicant tracking system streamlines and organizes the hiring for you and everyone in your company involved in the hiring process. Thanks for using the CazVid Employment Desktop and Applicant Tracking System. Contact us if you have any questions, and be sure to watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks.